Welcome back to another AE86 video. This one might be one of the last ones because the brake shoes and the banjo bolt for the fuel rail have finally come in. So today I'm going to put those on and then maybe give the car a little test drive. So these are the brake shoes that finally came in. They are Protex and they're not too bad. It took very long for them to come in for some reason. And then over here, right in there, we have the banjo bolt for the fuel rail. So that'll wrap around that little fuel rail there. And then yeah, we'll be able to finally get fuel properly. I did have to swap out the rails. The thread for this banjo bolt here was stripped. So yeah, I had to replace the fuel rail. Just took the one out of my other car. And then I'm going to get like a billet rail. I'm going to fix this one over here with a helicoil. And these are the old brake shoes. So as you can see, this side, there is barely any material left. This side's not too bad, but yeah, the other side there is just barely any material left. So I'll be changing these out on this side and on the other side. So the current situation is I have the new bolt put in, but I need new crush washers. The crush washers that I had on there previously, I tried to reuse them, but yeah, they're just cooked. So now I'm going to move on to doing the brakes. So I've got the new shoes here. Here's the drum brake. And yeah, I'm going to put that onto that. That's the old brake shoes off. The old ones were fucked to say the least, so they can just go on the bin. And I've also done the brake shoes on the left side. So tomorrow I'm going to go get some crush washers for the fuel rail. So I'll bleed the brakes, then put on the rear wheels, and then I'll take the car for a little test drive. So the next day, and I have some very good news. So I've installed the new banjo bolt that replaced the fuel dampener, and I installed the new crush washers, and then the whole engine bay is now complete apart from like a couple radiator hoses. And then over here we've got the new brake shoes on both sides, and I've just been doing some little tests and the brakes work. I've bled them already, so all that's left to do now is to put the rear wheels on and take the car for a little test drive. Fucking hose box.
That's cool. Whatever that is that's floating.
Yeah. Do you want me to cut it a little bit longer?
It's always better longer than shorter.
True.
Yeah, because your bottom, the thing that's...
Alright, what are we doing now?
Current situation.
Hold on, let me get this one. Hold on.
Wait, did I show you the split hose?
I got footage of it.
So yeah, the hose split. We just put on a new hose. It took us like what, half an hour maybe?
A long time, a lot longer.
A lot longer than
Now what are we doing?
Now I'm filling it up with some water
From the tap over there. It's already rusty.
Yeah, fine.
Give her a fill.
Basically, what we want to see is if there's any massive leaks or not. Because last time I filled it up, I did not realise there was a massive hole in the hose. The hose is spitting out. Yeah, it was just pissing out, and I was like, what the fuck? Alright, so far so good. Sounds like it's getting to the top. There we go. We have water in the radiator. So now I'm going to put on the cap. And I'm going to take the car for a fucking drive finally.
It's fucking
I'm
good.
so excited. It's been 1 year, like officially 1 year since I've had the car. You know, it's come a long way, what I think. From a rusty little shell on a dolly to now a full running driving car. and lots of fun to learn how to do this shit. So I'm very excited to drive it and give it a wash. Are you ready, Josiah? Yeah. Are you ready? Alright. Fuck, the mirrors are so ace to look out of. Oh my god. Whoa. Alright. Yeah, I'll probably have to adjust the throttle again.
That's what you want to stall.
Probably, yeah.
Michael missed out.
Yeah, he did. It's rubbing so hard. I just stole it.
Just don't stall it on the main road, that's the only thing.
You're stalling it on South Road. Take it on the motorway, brother.
Do not.
No.
See ya.
Yeah.
No power steering?
Nah.
Unlucky.
What is that noise? Oh, it's just rubbing, I think. It's rubbing really bad. Shall I stop?
Yeah, because you can smell it. I would stop. Because you can smell it burning. Just go check it. Make sure it's just your tyre.
Alright, so current situation, we are rubbing very, very badly. So I'm going to try and raise the suspension more, but I don't think I can. So I'm either going to just fold this lip in with a hammer, or I'm going to put some bits of wood in between the spring and the adjuster to get more height out of it. Alright, it's take two. We've got some popcorn.
We have.
We've
You can't
raised
see
the
it.
car.
We're going to get in the daylight, which is quickly diminishing.
Yeah, GG's. Alright, I'm ready.
No.
Oh, that already feels so much better. That's already
Yeah.
so much better.
You can actually fucking just move the car.
Yeah, we should be alright now. I want to know what that fucking noise is.
Is it the sticker on your fucking tyre?
No, that.
Popcorn's flying everywhere because of the wind.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's the sticker, that noise.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
No, I'm talking about the.
As you accelerate.
Yeah,
It's probably your fucking gearbox is whiny as fuck.
yeah, why though?
Mine does it.
Does it?
Yeah, mine does it. Oh,
I mean,
a little bit is.
Yeah. Fuck. I've got no speedo, by the way.
Oh yeah, dude, it's roadworthy.
Damn, I wish I could actually walk so I could get out of the car right now and do like a walk around video.
Oh yeah, you didn't bring your crutches, man.
Yeah, I don't need it. I was gonna lean against the wall.
The light goes green, man.
Cover the popcorn.
That's right, because you get some footage of the.
Dude, I'm actually driving an A86, bro. I'm actually driving an A86. Oh, it's okay. I didn't stall it.
Static as fuck.
Oh no, it
Yeah,
did
you
stall.
did. Yeah, you did.
No way.
Hope it starts.
Shit.
Hope it starts.
Shit.
Rip the clutch. Just rip the clutch. Oh, nah, you aren't. You're not rolling fast enough.
I mean, convenient place to die though.
Yeah. I don't know what it is though.
Did you knock something off?
I might have.
Like a fuel line?
No, it shouldn't be a fuel line.
I mean,
Alright, well let's push it forwards, I guess.
Yep.
Yeah, it's gonna be you two. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, that's fine.
uh,
Can you steer at least?
Yeah.
Alright, well it died, but we made it to the
dude,
servo.
oh,
Fuck, man. How much popcorn? Did it all spill?
Big scenes here, boys. The car won't start, and we've lost the popcorn. Lost the popcorn.
it's everywhere, dude. The wind, man.
I didn't think it was going to be that bad, not going to lie.
I got popcorn in my crop.
Oh yeah, have a look under the car real quick, just before we make any decisions.
Fucking,
Lights. Damn it, we're stuck here and I've got no jumper.
Something always happens, eh?
Oh, you're leaking something.
Fuel?
From the front. Maybe.
Fuel? Or?
I don't know, I can't tell.
I think we'd smell it.
I think it's flowing too fast to be anything but water.
Oh, if it's just a coolant, it shouldn't matter.
It looks like it's just water. It's coming to the back there.
Kind of bluish.
Do you have aircon on?
It's kind of bluish.
Oh. Yeah, it'd be just coolant then.
I'm trying to see the specs of this, but there's no... Dude, I wish I could drive now. I would have fucking brought my car out.
Yeah.
If I actually drove yours, I would have drove home and got my fucking car. This is the first proper wash in the car. Sorry, if this is similar amperage, a Walbro 420 draws 22 amps. Oh, so I'll put a 30 amp in there, it'll be fine. Yeah. If it's similar, what did you put in there? 30 amp right now. Oh, with the Canada. Yeah.
Who, me?
No, nah, even if you know me.
Soggy sea.
You can't really see shit though because it's fucking night time.
I'm getting dribbled on.
I don't even know where all the unlock things are.
We're heading back. I blew the 10 amp fuse in the footwell here for the dome lights and all that stuff. So I gave the car just a little wash, and now we're just taking it back home. That's rubbing so bad still. Knowledge whatsoever in mechanics.
Hey, she goes.
Dude, it sounds not as good as I thought it was going to sound. But that's okay. I still don't know if I should drive it to work tomorrow.
No, probably should.
This motherfucker is static.
Oh, I stole it, bro. I mean, we got back home alright. We made it back. We successfully took it for a drive. So now tomorrow I'll possibly, maybe or maybe not, I don't know yet, take it to the workshop and get our actual real mechanic to have a look at it, and we'll see what he thinks. All right, it's been a couple days since I've had that test drive on the AE86, and I have to say it's been pretty successful from there on out. I've driven it maybe about an hour in total over the past like 2 days, and it's held up all right. I did end up polishing some of the marks that I left on it when I was doing the engine swap. So now it's looking a little bit nice, like there's no like grease fingerprint marks here. I tried my best to get the scratches out of the guard, but the paint's like, it's a real bit hard to tell on camera, but you can kind of see it. It's all cracked and stuff, so. But other than that, it's been pretty reliable. I do have to raise the front a lot more. The rear isn't too bad now. It's just when I hit bumps, the car like goes airborne, which is fucking cooked. But yeah, I just have to raise the front, check something with the steering, because sometimes the steering skips. So I gotta check out why it's doing that. But yeah, all right, so that is the end of the video. I did buy a new engine for the Miata, so I'm hoping to do some videos of that soon. But yeah, other than that, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.